Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Circle, triangle, pentagon, heart, star, square, let's learn some colors. Orange color, green color, brown color, yellow color, red color, blue color, red color, square, black color, circle, yellow color, triangle, green color, star, orange color, heart, blue color, pentagon, red color, square, black color, circle, yellow color, triangle, green color, star, orange color, heart, blue color, pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.